Hey, how you doing? Me? Fantastic, thanks for asking. Well, it's been raining here for the last 3 days. And because of that, I haven't come out here to work for the last 3 days. But I have done some work in the bus this week. Let's check it out. Light in here. Come down. This isn't fastened yet. Closet, closet, closet. Air conditioner. The access panel to turn it on. So that's what it's going to look like from the end of the bus. The difference between these cabinets and the ones that I built up in the front of the bus is that these are built in place, but those are built outside and brought into the bus. And the reason why is because of the width and the height of the cabinets, and it just wouldn't fit through that opening. It's under 2 feet. And these are over 2 feet, so they wouldn't fit. So I had to build them in place. The other thing I did is I rebuilt my pocket door. Check this out. Nice, huh? Check out my pocket door. Oh, that's so nice. So I'm going to work on that for the rest of the day. I gotta put a piece of plywood in here. You'll see when it's done. But I need to put that piece of plywood in here. And then get that fastened in place. And then I think I'll probably work on doing something about this to make easy access to it. I need to cut that down a little bit so it's not rubbing on it. And figure out how I'm going to hinge it. Yeah. So that's my plan for today, is to get the rest of this wrapped up, and then I'll move on. Cut list. Oh, did you notice that this thing went down about 6 inches? Yeah. When I was laying this out, I put the frame in upside down. So, yeah, I did this off camera so I didn't have to bore you. I had to take it all back out and lower it down. Okay, so now it's sanded. You know, get the glue out. Alright, there it is. I got the hinge put on. I'll show you in a minute. So I got a piano hinge on it. This will get fastened up towards the bed frame there. And hinged. Yay. But right now, I'm going to stop because Spider-Man wants to play. So when Spider-Man wants to play, we play. Yeah!
But this is broken.
It's not broken for long. Come on, let's go.